Just Sawdust workshop. Part 2 of the, let's say, square ukulele. With a wide neck. I made it 4.8 centimeters wide, 48 millimeters, because then you can actually put your fingers where they should be. I found out when I made the last tenor ukulele with, you know, the normal neck, they're so tiny that, well, it's hard to play, and I just thought I'd experiment with a bit of a wider neck, have the strings a bit further apart, maybe that gives a better grip. It's time to make the fretboard, and I printed out a scale, 17 inch. I'll put a link down in the description on where you can put them online. Just take any scale you want, any tuning, and you can just print out your fretboard. But because I'm gonna probably make more of these 17 inch scales, I'm gonna do the same thing as I did with my cigar box guitar, which is 25.5. I'm gonna make a little box, a miter box, so that I don't have to measure it all the time. And so let's start with that. after some tweaking, adjusting the bridge a bit, it's ready. It works. Intonation is right. The only thing I didn't do was putting fret dots, fret markers, because I thought I could do that with black wax, but somehow that didn't work. So I guess I'm going to put some little dots here. That'll be okay. But now it's a question of, did all this wiring work? So let's plug it in and see whether I did everything right. So let's make this quick. Plug it in and see whether it works. There's sound in it. I can't play it, but I'm gonna practice a little bit more. I always say that, but still there's not been much time. But in this case, I've got a wide neck, so my fingers really fit. A normal ukulele is just too tiny to put all your fingers on. I've got a 0 fret on here, so scale is 17 inch. And the rod piezo is inside the bridge. I used a piece of hardwood, but I think I'm going to change that for something even denser, a bit harder. But for the rest it's play just blues on like I do it with 3 strings and with 1 finger because it's tuned in the ukulele kind of and not even completely right. So, but that's for somebody who can play this thing. It's for sale and it's a crazy little electric ukulele. Now all the wiring that's in there isn't of course only for the sound, because that's a lot. Put this a little bit. So let's put out this light. I hope it's dark enough, but I think it is. Suppose you're on stage. On the back there's a little plaque that I put on. It's from an old factory, Rotsler Window from Germany. I don't know what kind of machine it used to belong to, but it's all kind of technical stuff on it. But it covers the batteries for the lights in it. You can program them any way you want. there are three little holes here when you with a little stick can program speed and color and everything. But I thought, well, when you're on stage, maybe that gives a little bit of a nice feature. It's a crazy little thing, so why not make it completely crazy? So that's it for now. Hope to see you in the next video, and that will be something else than some stringed instrument, I guess. But you never know. At the logo. I'm gonna play a bit. Have fun.